Josh Kisamwa. I am a documentary filmmaker.
My name is Mutua Matheka. I'm a photographer, travel and architectural photographer from Kenya, and we are Unscrambling Africa. Traveling through 10 countries and 13 cities was the aim, but we've lost count.
The drive was Africans need to tell more stories.
Being authentic is tapping into the thing that is you.
When you do things as a community, for example, like as Umuzi, there's just by doing something as a community, there's a strength there.
My name is Mutua Matheka.
My name is Josh Kisamwa.
We are from Nairobi and we are Unscrambling Africa. We just did a talk at Umuzi that you can watch on the link below.